up, everybody? Okay, so today we got to do another one of those things where I show you kind of figure that I like. The Daz store is absolutely massive, and it's sometimes quite hard to navigate through all the things, and maybe this helps you decide on what to buy or what to get and whatever. And today we're going to be talking about Wolfgang. Wolfgang is probably my go-to guy. If I'm looking for a male, I use this guy. He's very diverse. He come in two different flavor. He come with burnt and scarred and tattoos and whatever, and he comes normal. So very diverse. And the beauty of this guy is his realism. He is beautifully made. Yannick is the artist. He made this, and it seems like, and he's just done the most incredible job. The details. Now it does come in HD version and normal version, as Daz always does it, but I wouldn't touch the HD version. If you're not doing extreme close-ups, you don't need the HD version. You need the normal version. And in all honesty, damn, that normal version is absolutely insane. So, once again, if you're not doing massive close-ups or extreme close-ups, you don't need the HD version. He's amazing, and the beauty of him is, well, I use him in quite a couple of my works. I love how diverse he is. If I'm looking for something scarred and roughed up, I can use one set of materials, or if I'm looking for normal, I can use the other set of materials. And he's just so easy to pose. He always looks good. His skin looks great. And another bonus is it's nice to have a few characters with great skin. Now here's an example of me using a different character, totally different, but his skin was absolutely horrible. It didn't work. It wasn't looking good. And what I did was I swapped it out, and I used Wolfgang's skin and skin materials for this character, and it was night and day. He went from looking terrible to something actually pretty damn cool and plausible, and that's the thing. So it's nice to have good skin materials and good texture sets in your arsenal that you can use with other characters. And Wolfgang is very cool. He's very cool. Look, his face, his beauty things, his skin textures, they did a damn good job. So I hope this does help you in some way. He's an awesome character to have. He's not this Ken. He's a real human. Yannick definitely knew what he was doing when he was making this. Plausible, it's asymmetrical. It's just a demon of a character, and he looks good in all images, really. He's great. Anyway, hope that helps, and I will speak to you guys soon. Have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.